Guys, welcome back. So I know I haven't done a video like this in a while. I've been doing nothing but voiceovers. I'm gonna be doing a haul for you guys today, and it's gonna be involving chunky glitters. So I did purchase these from Amazon. I believe I paid around, I think $12 or $13 for them. There's 12 of these of different colors. I will be showing you guys each of them individually so you guys could get a better look. The first one up is this green one, which I think is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. As you guys could see, it's very pretty. The big chunky glitters are hexagons and the little ones are just circles. It's a blue one and it's very pretty as well. Okay, so the third one is this white, kind of like white sheery one. I feel like this one's a little hard to see, but it's very pretty as well. So this one has stars and hexagons. It's beautiful blue. I really like this blue and I cannot wait to use it. And this one is just hexagons, no stars. It would have been nice if it had some stars. It was really nice. It's like a coral color. I don't know, it's like orangey with pink and yellow. Look how pretty that is. And this is just tiny hexagons, and it's a pink one. Look how pretty. They're very tiny. I wish some other colors came like this. This one is more of a rose gold and it's very pretty as well. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to record these three. I thought that I was recording, but apparently I was not. So I have three of them. So this one's a gold one and it has hexagons and the stars, the same with the silver, and then the purple is just hexagons. This one would have been really nice for Valentine's Day, so I wish it came with some heart. I'm thinking of doing a Valentine's look using these two. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be leaving the link down below for you guys. If you guys are interested on getting these exact chunky glitters, just click on the link. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I upload a new video. Lately, I've been trying to upload more frequently. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye.